Hi guys, this is Anne. I'm going to be showing you how I get rid of as much pesticides as I can, since I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. I try to buy my vegetables as organic as I can get, which has made me limit the amount of vegetables I eat to just the ones I know that are just they grow wild and then they sell them because they don't have to grow them or plant them. So that's basically, and when I want to eat the local ones, this is what I do. I learned this from the internet, from some guy showing how to remove as much pesticide from your food as possible, since where I live, people believe in putting as much pesticide as God knows help us. Anyway, so I have mangoes. I eat a lot of mangoes. You might be wondering, why do you have to put to remove the pesticide? When you cut the mango, actually the pesticide that is already on the skin, it'll just transfer to the flesh when you're cutting. And I notice when I don't do this method, I don't know if everyone finds experiences this, or it's just me, but when I eat fruits that have a lot of pesticides in them, when you cut the skin, although you like to enjoy after you peel the mango skin, it you want to lick that skin part, and then afterwards you're left with a, I don't know, like a slight burning sensation, and then you start feeling uncomfortable or you cough or something like that. So now I've rambled for too long. I normally put bicarbonate of soda. Okay, people, I do not measure. I just pour depending on how much I'm using. Then I'll put some water and show you what I do. Okay, now I put water. I don't normally fill it to the brim, because when you put the fruits, they kind of lift the water up. So I just make sure it mixes all up, it dissolves into the water. So now that it has dissolved, now put the fruits in there. And I'll do this for 15 minutes is what is recommended. I'm going to put some lime, because I take a lot of lime. Okay, now I've put the mangoes. I think I was talking to myself and I not pressed play. So I put the mangoes inside, and the lime together with the lime. Even lime, I find this also has a lot of pesticide, and most of it I'm noticing they are really green with a lot of pesticide, because you find some are really they're really huge, and then when you cut into them, they're disgusting. They have no water, some of them, and yeah, they're just big for nothing sometimes. Okay, that's it. I put this, I let it sit for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and I rinse off. And for me, I found a difference, because when I don't do this, when I cut a mango, like say you enjoy a mango and you want to just that part of the mango on the other side, not this side, the outer side of the inner side of the peel, the mango, when you try and eat that, sometimes you're left with a burning sensation in your mouth. Okay, before I ramble and talk too much, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. You can like if you like the video, and yeah, share with your friends if you think you like it, or you think this is something they would like. And yeah, that's it. Bye.